Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best working Midjourney promo codes or discount codes which you can use on their website to get the discount and buy the subscription or whatever you want to do. Now first of all, head to the Google and on the URL bar just simply write down the name of the website, which is simplycodes.com. Make sure to write down the exact same spelling, simplycodes.com, press enter, and you will be redirected to this website, simplycodes.com. Once you're at this page, homepage, just go to the search button on the right side, click it and click it again. And from this, in this section, just make sure to write down the name of the website, which in our case is Midjourney. So write down Midjourney, and this is the promo code. So just click on it, Midjourney. And once you click it, you will see the all the coupon codes of September 2025, which are updated on daily basis. And as you can see, last verified 28 minutes ago, and 45 active members tracking Midjourney deals today, which means that these codes are updated on daily basis. As you can see, like there are multiple codes: 1.3k times used, 6.2k, 7.3k, 18k times 9k. So these are some promo codes. Let's say I want to go with this one, 20% off. Just click on view code, and once you click on view code, so you will see the code like this one. Just click on copy code, and once the code is copied, you can just directly click at shop at Midjourney, or you can just manually go to the Midjourney as well and buy the subscription or use the coupon code wherever you want to use. So that is the simple and easy process of how you can get these coupon codes or promo codes.